Hey, it's Keith here from KG's Garage. Thanks for coming back and watching another video. Still working on this Buick. It's pretty much all detailed up. It's early in the morning, so there's a bunch of water on it. But I'm going to do the headlights. Decided to do headlights as a separate video because it's might take a little while. And I thought it'd be good just to have a separate video with just the headlights. The rest of the car is done. So let's get to it. I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. I went online. There's a ton of different ways to do these headlights. I watched some guy's YouTube video where he tested all different kinds, and he said this one was halfway decent. The Sylvania. So that's what I bought. So here's the headlights. There's water on them, but this I sanded this one just with some, I can't remember what sandpaper, 800. So it's okay, but this one is definitely, I didn't touch this one yet. You can hear all of it. So I'm gonna use this kit. I'm just gonna follow the instructions step by step, and yeah, there's 3 easy steps. Surface, oh, I guess I have to dry it. Surface activator, sand and polish, and then finish and seal. So that's what I'm gonna do. And if it looks like crap when I'm done, I already looked up online, and these headlights I can get a new set for 200 bucks. So I don't have any money into this thing except for a fuel pump and a whole bunch of labor. So at $200, I'll have like $400 into it. The fuel pump was almost $200. So if I spend another $200, it won't be a big deal. So anyway, let's get going and see how this kit works. First I'm gonna do is I'm gonna dry the headlights. All right, let's see what's in this kit. And there's a glove. All right. This is a glove, sandpaper. You got 2,000, 1,000, and 400. Paper towel. Okay. Clarify compound. Another paper towel. UV block clear coat. Step 3. Oh, here's step 1. Surface activator. So let's pull the instructions out. Look, something we never do. Please read instructions completely. Take this surface activator and spray it all over it. It wants it dry, so the headlight is dry. It says spray it liberally on here. This is supposed to get, oh look, it is. It's supposed to break up the yellow. So whatever's in this, that's what it's doing. Wow, okay. It says leave that on there for 30 seconds. And then, okay, then it says wash it off. I'm gonna get the hose. You can see after I rinsed it off, it did. It got rid of that yellow stuff. I haven't even touched that one yet. This one, I don't know if it looks the same. It might look a little bit better. Okay. Step 2 says to sand and polish it. Alright, so I read the instructions. Pretty much what it says is sand it circular motion with 400. Keep it wet at all times. When you think it's smooth, dry it off, look at it, see if it looks good. If not, sand it again, sand. After you're done with the 400, then you go down to the 1,000. Is that what they give you? Yeah, 1,000. Sand it with the 1,000, same procedure. And then with firm pressure, sand it to 2,000, and that should get all of the imperfections out, and it should look good. And then there's other stuff you need to put on there. The clarifying compound. Oh, that must be this right here. Here it is, right here. Clarifying compound. You put, and then you put that on. put on one of these white towels and smear it around. So we're not there yet. Let's do the sanding. Okay, I'm on the last step, the 2000 grit sanding. All I'm doing is sandpaper, wetting the heck out of it, and sanding it. So I'm not going to show you all that. It's just boring me sanding the thing for 5 minutes. So that's what I've been doing. Okay, all the sanding's done. Now it says clarifying compound. Pretty much what this is rubbing compound. And I'm guessing. It says put a quarter size drop onto this white towel, about half the contents. Use the same towel on the second lens along with the remaining compound. Wet the headlight lens. Okay, whatever. Rub the compound all over the lens. So put some of this on here, half of this. It says, hold on. Apply a quarter size droplet onto one of the white towels, about half the contents. Okay, half of this on the towel, rub it all on the headlights, polish the headlights basically, and then dry it. Reapply surface activator for 30 seconds, then rinse it with water. Though that will fully clean the lens in preparation for coating. Remove all the tape if it was applied. I didn't do that. Dry the headlight, and then you put this on. So this on both headlights, and then spray this, wipe it off, put this on it. Okay, let's get to doing that. So I'm gonna go. It says use this much for both lenses. Whatever, I'll do that. Headlights are already wet because I just rinsed them off, so I'm gonna go ahead and polish it. All right, it says rinse it off. All right. Different, but okay. That looks pretty good, actually. Alright, so it says you'll see a white haze, which I do. It says put the surface activator for 30 seconds, then rinse with water. So this is the surface activator. Smells like rubbing alcohol. Okay, now it says rinse this off. And then use the other towel and dry them off. I like to be able to dry it off with one towel. Let's dry it off with this first. Okay, they still look hazy. This one has actually some stuff on the inside. It's got water condensation on the inside. So, I don't know. This one does not. This one will probably come out pretty good. It's still wet. But this one here I polished with the buffer real quick when I was doing the whole car. Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping on it right there. Same here. Alright, so now we're on to step 3, UV block clear coat protection. It does look, they look better than they were, but Okay, so this should make immediate clarity and dries hard. Okay. Okay, so all the moisture. Yep, here's the bottle. And the blue towel. Put the vinyl glove on. Oh. Thoroughly soak the entire folded edge of the blue towel with UV block until liquid extends quarter from the folded edge. The thicker the coating, the better. Take care to thoroughly soak the entire fold edge of blue applicator. Okay, so you take this stuff, you put it on the blue towel, soak it. They tell you exactly how, whatever. Soak this towel, put this glove on. I guess I don't know what's in this, but it'll mess up your skin. Maybe it'll stain your skin. I don't know. Anyway, I'll put the glove on and just put it on in an even motion, and just start from the top and go all the way down, and then that's it. Just one coat, and it should start making it clear. Let's see what happens. All right, here we go. Soak this. Okay. Start at the top here, and one stroke. Then we'll go like this. Wow, all the way around. Okay, alright. See what it's doing. Let's go around the edges first, because it seems like that's the harder part. Okay, now it's in the front. Okay, it smells like varnish. It's pretty good though. Alright, and that's it. It says let it sit for 4 to 6 hours to cure. So I think it looks pretty good. I mean, besides the inside here has condensation because there's a hole in it somewhere, but for original 2004 headlights, it's not too bad. This one looks better because there's no condensation on the inside. I can still see some roughness where maybe I could have sanded it a little bit more, but compared to what it was, this looks a lot better. I mean, this here looks, wow, that looks super good. Yeah, the condensation ruins that one. But there. Well, there you go. That's doing how you do headlights with this Sylvania kit. I was surprised at the end. I didn't think it was going to look this good. Let's look at this one because this one looks better. There we go. I'm surprised because I didn't think it would come out looking this good. Before I put that coating on, that UV coating, it was all scratched up still. I was like, hey, this isn't going to work. How's it going to fix it? But look at that. This is pretty clear. I can still see scratches here. Like maybe I didn't get enough of the clear on there. I don't know if I can go back. It says not to. It says if you miss a spot, hit it right away. Do not reapply. So yeah, that's pretty much probably going to stay like that. But there you go. I think that makes the car look a lot better. The only thing, maybe what I would have done differently was you saw I didn't tape anything up. I didn't tape anything up here. I'm in a little bit of a hurry to try to get this done. And I was trying to be super careful not to hit any of this. I don't know what the heck this is. It's rubbed. But I might have like compounded somewhere. Oh yeah, I can see it's a sticky. I got some of the clear on the body. What would have I done differently? What I would have done maybe was do the headlights first before I went and detailed the whole car. Because whatever all that stuff was, I put on the headlights and I just rinsed it off, went right down on the bumper and everything else that I spent time cleaning and polishing and clay bar and all that. so I don't know what it did to the bottom there. I might just take that ceramic coat again and just spray some down there. Yeah, but I think pop the hood all the way up, get that out of the way, and just put some blue tape around where the paint is. This way you don't have to worry about scuffing it. I probably sanded this chrome a little bit. Whatever. If it was this was like, if I was doing this on a customer's car, you know, I had a business and I was doing this, I would take those precautions. But this is a car that I'm going to sell. All right. Well, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Hopefully you stay through all the way through. And I do suggest this Sylvania Kit. That was a good deal. I'll put a link in the description below if you want to buy it. And I would probably do it again if I had another car. Maybe the Z. Maybe I'll get another one of those kits and put it on the Z instead of buying new headlights. But okay. All right. Well, once again, thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Share, like. If you have any comments, go ahead and put them down below, and I will answer them. Talk to you later. See ya.